Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Trello for personal productivity plus bonus shortcuts 2025 full guide. So let's get started. First, go to trello.com. Over here, click on the login button at the top right. After that, log in using your email or Google account. Then click on create new board. Over here, enter the name for your board. After that, select the workspace you want to use. Then set the visibility of the board. After you're done, click on create. Now click on add list and name it to do. Then add another list and name it doing. After that, create one more list named done. Now go to the to-do list and click on add a card. Then give your card a name. Click on the card to open its detailed view. Over here, add a description and click save. Then click on labels to color code your task. After that, add a checklist if needed. Then click on dates to set a due date. Now for the shortcuts. Hover over a card and press the spacebar to assign it to yourself. Press L to add a label. Press D to add a due date. Press C to archive a card. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.